G'day everyone, welcome back to the farm. Another exciting episode. So today we are going to make the chook pen bigger. The chook pen's about 8 meters by 2 meters, and as you can see there's not much pick or anything in there for them, so we've got all this wasted space along the whole back fence, which is about 40 meters. So we're going to extend that and make the chicken run bigger. Here comes the apprentice now. Here's the chicken wire and there's the chicken pen. I'm going to leave these posts here in the ground. Here, they're quite sturdy, and that'll run across to that pole there. So essentially, I think it's a bit wonky, from this pole here all the way through to the other pole, and then all the way through to the other side. Zacky's bugging out. No, he's not. He's actually, there's a little calf out there that is out once again. Don't know if you can see the little calf walking along. It needs to go back in with its mum, so he's going to go and do that for me while I start this fence. Bit of rain? No. Right, let's get this sorted. So we got this here. Oh, which way is it? Actually, what I might do is do the barbed wire first. Oh, no gloves. Oh, come on, baby. So what I do is run a strand of barbed wire along the bottom and a strand on the top, so that if any foxes or any little buggers come along, they're going to get a taste of the barbed wire. Now I don't have gloves on, which is a bit of a nightmare, but anyway. This way. Oh yeah, it's got me already. Got me good then. Jeez Louise. Told you it got me. Sheesh. Right, I've got gloves. That's done. Let's do the other side. So what I like to use is the old wire strainers to tighten the bottom strand of barbed wire up, make it nice and tight, so that it makes the chicken mesh nice and tight as well. Make sure it's nice and low across the ground. I think that's as tight as I'll be able to get it. That's it. One more. Nice. Tie this off. here. Well, that's nice and tight. Nice and tight. Right, that's done. Okay, so this is 90 centimeters or 900 mils, and it will run along the line here. So what I'll do is I'll measure up 90 centimeters here, and I'll also run a barbed wire line across there, so that'll make it a little bit easier to install, apparently. So let's do that. So it should really be the same size here. Let's have a look. Yep. Beautiful. So we'll just tie this off here. No fancy knots here. Just make sure it's tight. There we go. Beautiful. And then on the other end. $90, right there. Beautiful. Which is pretty much where the other one is. Give it a little bit of a hopefully I can get it around in one go. Oh, come on, baby. We'll just tighten that up. Then we just tighten it up in the middle with the wire strainers. Beautiful. Nice and tight. I may be able to get one more out of it. That's it. Oof, it's a bit short. There's not going to be any pressure from cattle or livestock on this, so it doesn't really have to be that fancy. Still want it to work though, of course. Okay, there you go. That's pretty good. That'll work. Get myself set up here. Like that. The gloves are off. What I have to do first is undo all this here. This is all all the little bits of wire are stuck in there and twisted around one another. So that takes a little bit of time. The good thing is they've already made hooks here to make it easier to hook those onto the wire here. So just hook this in here like so. Hook that across onto the other wire. And I can start twisting this out. Done. Show you what I'm doing over here. So just here, as you can see, we've got all these little hooks here, hooks on the outside. So what I'm doing is hooking those. Well, I need pliers. So here's a better view. So I'm grabbing these little hooks here and hooking them around the wire. Rightio, that's all done. Okay, next job is with this pair of pliers and these little C-clips like that, we install the wire up against the mesh up against the barbed wire using the C-clips. I'll show you. Pliers, C-clip. C-clip goes inside the pliers like that, and then you attach it all. Squeezing the pliers closes the C-clip. C-clip in the pliers. Put that C-clip over both pieces of wire and squeeze, and then that fastens it to the mesh top wire. And we just do that another 400 times. Before I do the bottom run, I'll show you what I've done here. I'll just click down there. Hopefully I've got it right. Just twist them around onto themselves. Pull that tight and twist. Yeah, man, that's hard. just finish that bottom run. And this side's finished. Just got to do the other side now. Well, this side's finished. Looks nice and tidy. Chickens are going to love this. All the way through, done. Now for the other side. So I've just got Zach out here, bruises and all, from his lucky escape with the cow yesterday. He's unrolling the chicken wire for me. Thanks, boy. Okay, so the last thing I have to do is cut out a little hole for the chickens to get out. So that fence over there, that side's done. The fence on this side is done. Just a matter of putting in a little cubby hole here for them, I think. Let's do that. Actually, I might go inside and do it. Hey, girls. No eggs. Let's have a look here. Old Mr. Rooster's going, what's going on here? Here we go. I'll just pop a hole in here. I don't know what I'm doing here, but anyway. That should be big enough, I think. Let me do one more up here. Give them that extra protection. I don't want to injure themselves. These here, I'll just fold them back. That down there's good. I'll fold that down. They won't hurt themselves there. That's plenty big enough. Fold these around like that. So then they're not going to hurt themselves. It's a massive hole now. And the rain's coming. Beautiful. There we go. Hole is done. Let's see if they can make their way out. There we go. We got any contenders? They don't know yet. There we go. Come on, girl. There she goes. One's out. There we go. The others should go out now. Very cool. Let's have a quick last look at our handiwork. So this is the fence line through here. All that grass is theirs, and it goes all the way out the back, 40 metres long by 2 and a bit metres wide. And as you can see, they don't have to come out here now and dig up my lavenders. They can have all that area to themselves. And there they are. Happy chooks. Well, there you go. The chicken run is done. It is chicken paradise for them. I've been wanting to do this for a while now, so it's done now. They're going to be happy little chickens, which is awesome. But yeah, I'm happy with that. Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Bye.